Yes, you're welcome. It's your boy Jacob. Now, today we are going to talk about the most marketable and paying medical diploma courses we have here in Uganda. Now, this information is very good for some of our senior six leavers who want to opt for these courses, and some of our certificate holders in the medical field who want to upgrade their careers. Now, there are so many diploma courses in the health field, but not all of them are very marketable and paying. But in this video today, I'm going to share with you the most marketable and paying diploma courses that if you opt to do them, you lead a successful life and you will not be disappointed. So without wasting time, let's dive into the tutorial. Now, one of the most marketable medical diploma courses we have here is a diploma in medical lab. Now, a diploma in medical lab here in Uganda takes 3 years, and there are over 10 institutions here in Uganda which are offering this diploma. You only need one principal pass in either chemistry or biology for you to take up this diploma. And once you finish, you become a laboratory technician. And if you want to upgrade in your career, you can take up a degree in laboratory technology. Now, this diploma is very marketable and very paying. Now, there are so many jobs for medical lab technicians in both private and public institutions. And even if you decide to go in private practice, you can open up your own lab, a private lab where patients will come and take their sample there for testing, and you will charge them. So it's one of those very paying and marketable courses here in Uganda. Now, another very paying and marketable diploma course which you can do here in Uganda is a diploma in public health dentistry. Now, that one is also very good. It takes 3 years. You can get it at paramedical here in Uganda. You become definitely a dental officer. Now, dental officers are very marketable here in Uganda, both in public and private institutions. Now, you can even go in private practice and open up a dental clinic. Clients will be coming for you looking for tooth extraction, and it's one of those most paying businesses here in Uganda. Now, after that, if you want to upgrade your career, you can even go on and become a dental surgeon at a degree level, and even specialize to become a maxillofacial surgeon at a master's level. Now, this course has a very good career path if you try to opt for it. Instead of our nurses who are striving so hard to become medical officers, you can choose this path and also become a dental surgeon. It's also a very good course, and you can make a lot of money out of it. Now, another course which is very good and very marketable at diploma level is a diploma in radiography. Now, a diploma in radiography is 3 years. You can get it at paramedical, and there are so many other institutions which are taking this diploma and can give it to you. Basically, you specialize in both taking x-rays and ultrasound scan. So when you get this diploma, you become very marketable, and there are so many private and public institutions which want people who have this specialty. Now, to qualify for this diploma, you only need one principal pass in either chemistry and biology. And if you want to upgrade your career, you can do a degree in radiography still, and also there is a master's in radiography here at 𝐂𝐻𝐿 if you want to opt for this career. And on top of that, you can also go into private practice and open up your radio unit where people will be coming for scans, x-rays, CT scans. So if you have your money, you can also go into private practice. So it's such a very, very good course. So another diploma which is very marketable here in Uganda in our medical field, it's kind of medical and engineering, is called a diploma in biomedical engineering. Now, this diploma is quite very new in Uganda. Most of the specialists who have been taking up this field in Uganda have been coming from Kenya. Now, it's a new course and it's a very good one. You can take it for 3 years at 𝐂𝐻𝐿 here in Mengo. They offer that course at a diploma level. You only need one principal pass in either chemistry, biology, physics, and mathematics. Any of those, they can give you this course. Now, this course is very marketable because the people who have been taking up these positions in hospitals have been electrical engineers. But now that we have biomedical technicians, these people are very important in taking care of our medical equipment. So biomedical engineers are responsible for proper functioning of our medical equipment like scans, oxygen concentrators, cylinders, monitors, anesthetic machines, anything with the malfunctioning of those equipments, you call the biomedical technician, because they are the ones who are very good at repairing these instruments. And also after this diploma, you can opt to upgrade your career by studying a degree in biomedical engineering. It's now in Mbarara, Kyambogo, Makerere, Ekre, wherever you want to go, you can upgrade your career and get your bachelor's degree. Now, jobs for biomedical engineers here in Uganda are very many in both private and public institutions. You've seen a lot of adverts in newspapers for hospitals who need these guys, so it's quite a very marketable course here in Uganda. Now, another diploma which is very good and has been there for a very long time is a diploma in anesthesia. Basically, a diploma in anesthesia, it only takes you 2 years. Now, you can get it here at paramedical, and they have opened up many institutions in Uganda, even in Gulu, Fort Portal. You can take this diploma there and basically you become an anesthetic officer. Now, qualifications for anesthetic officers are quite different. Basically, you need another diploma like in nursing or clinical medicine or midwifery for you to be given this diploma. But if you don't want that, even after senior 6, you can go for a bachelor's degree in anesthesia. It's also quite very good. It's there in 𝐕𝐈𝐃𝐄 and 𝐂𝐍𝐉𝐎. But basically, these guys are doing very well and they are getting a lot of money. The jobs for anesthetic officers are quite very many in both public and private institutions. Most of them actually work multiple jobs, so they get a lot of money. And on top of that, they get a lot of side income from clinics and medical centers, which call them to sedate their patients. If there are some procedures and they need some sedation, they get them there and they pay them a lot of side income. So it's one of those diplomas in Uganda which have better than very many degrees here in Uganda, because the guys really make a lot of money apart from their daily salary which is given in hospitals. Another diploma which is not well known here in Uganda is a diploma in cardiac perfusion. Basically, cardiac perfusion is what they do is they operate the heart-lung machine during heart surgery, and those guys are very important, especially during heart surgery. Now, to become a cardiac perfusion, basically you need to be an anesthetic officer here in Uganda. But those other countries, whether you're a medical lab, whether you're a nurse, as long as you are an allied health profession, you qualify to become a cardiac perfusionist. But unfortunately, this course is not here in Uganda. You need to fly either to South Africa or India or Europe to get this course and study it. But after studying it, it's one of those most paying diplomas here in Uganda. In Uganda, we have less than 5 qualified cardiac perfusionists, and all of them are at Heart Institute, but the guys are earning a lot of money. So it's one of those diplomas, if you decide to take them, you will never get disappointed. Another diploma which is very good but most people underrate it is a diploma in nursing or midwifery or psychiatry. Basically, nowadays they call them assistant nursing officers, but that diploma is very good. Take it for 3 years in any of these institutions in Uganda, you cannot be disappointed. Now, in Uganda, basically, we have over 50 nursing schools, all of them pouring nurses every day, but nurses are never enough. Why? Because they work in many places. They work in theater, they work in ICU, they work in drug shops, they open up clinics, pharmacies, almost everywhere. They do home care. So it's quite a very marketable profession. For those of you who are underrating this profession, you are really sleeping on a gold mine. Nurses are marketable both here in the country and outside the country. You can go to Dubai, you'll make money. You can go to UK, you make money. You can go to US, you make money. So it's quite a very marketable profession which you cannot underrate. From there, you can even go and do a bachelor's degree in nursing. It's all marketable. Currently, an assistant nursing officer is at a U5, that's around 1.2 million. It's quite very good money for a diploma course. How many diploma courses are getting that money? So this is a profession which cannot be underrated. It's one of those good diplomas that if you take them, you will never be disappointed. And lastly, another very good diploma you can take here in Uganda in a medical field is a diploma in clinical medicine. Now, a diploma in clinical medicine is on a downward trend because the medical officers are quite very many and medical schools are quite very many here in Uganda. But still, if you opt to do a diploma in clinical medicine, is not very bad. Why? Because you can even open up your clinic and start private practice. And on top of that, you can upgrade your career after clinical medicine. You can either do medicine, you can do radiography, you can do counseling and guidance, you can do dental surgery. Whatever path you take, it's all good for you. So it's a very good step up stone and a very good diploma which is still very relevant here in Uganda. So that is it, guys. That is my list of the most marketable and paying medical diploma courses you can opt for here in Uganda. If you have any question about this tutorial, if you have anything you want to add on what I've said, don't hesitate to make your comment right there in the comment section.